If you often find yourself switching back and forth between tabs, Firefox has a feature that can make multitasking much easier. It's called Split View, and it allows you to display two websites side by side within the same browser window. This is useful for comparing information, taking notes while reading, watching a video while working, or simply keeping two web pages visible at the same time. In this video, I'll show you how to use Split View in Firefox. Let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. Next, open the tabs that you want to view side by side. Right-click a tab and select Add to Split View. Then choose the second tab you want to display alongside it. Once Split View is active, both tabs will appear in the same browser window next to each other. You can drag the divider between them to give more space to one side or the other. This allows you to customize the layout depending on what you're doing. For example, you might keep a document open on one side while researching on the other, or compare products, articles, or search results without constantly switching tabs. Firefox will update the layout automatically. When you're finished, exiting Split View is just as easy. Click the Close button on one side, or right-click and select Separate Split View to return the tabs to normal browsing mode. The tabs will remain open, just no longer displayed side by side. Split View is one of the most useful productivity features added to Firefox, especially for users who regularly work with multiple web pages at once. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Split View in Firefox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.